All right, so this is how I think I want it to look, like that. Cover up most of the tunnel. Them wires back there, I'm gonna end up hiding them once I fully make this console. This is how I think it's gonna be, somewhat like this. I'm gonna still have to do some playing around with it, you know what I'm saying, to see how I'm really gonna get it to sit. You feel me? So
forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious.
what's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. This video we're gonna be trying and attempting to make my own custom center console. Y'all know the one go here. Now if y'all is new to the channel, then y'all probably wouldn't remember or have seen the video when I tried to make one, you know what I'm saying, and it did not come out well. I made a template, which I shouldn't have threw that template away because I wouldn't have to remake this template. But I got the wrong wood, you know. I got regular plywood, which I didn't need to get regular plywood, but I know what kind of wood I need to get now. So this video we're just gonna be making a template, and probably the next video, I don't know for sure, but I'm gonna go to the store. I gotta go get the wood and stuff, and I gotta get wood so I can try to make me another rear deck, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna make me a different one because the one I made, it's not the best, you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna give me a different one. I'm gonna wrap the material right with some adhesive spray instead of trying to staple it like I did with that one. That's why that one don't look that good, because the staples, you know, it just did not come out right. So yeah, I'm gonna redo both of them as well. Like I said, with the center console, y'all know most people usually have the original radio here and then a aftermarket radio in their center console. I can't really do that because when I bought this car, it didn't have the original radio, the stock radio in here. So regardless, I had to put this in here, and my bezel it's been cut up already. So like I said, when I bought this car, it was cut up and everything. So I went ahead and put this radio up in here. You feel me? Just to try to cover up that hole because the stock radio wouldn't have done it. So yeah, I'm gonna be using my center console for my EQ. Sorry about that, but yeah, like I said, I'm gonna use my center console for my EQ so I can get it off of these brackets here. I'm gonna put it inside my, like I said, my custom center console, and I'm gonna custom make 2 cup holders as well. So I gotta order the cup holders, which I think they're like $15 for a 2-pack, which is honestly pretty good, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm gonna be making custom cup holders and the little hole for my EQ. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Not this video, but this video we are gonna be making a template. Now I don't have a whole lot of cardboard, so I'm gonna be using, to start off with, some regular pieces of paper, you know what I'm saying. Just use some pieces of paper and then try to make the template, and then I'm gonna transfer it to the cardboard because like I said, I don't have a lot to play around with, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, we finna try and do best as we can and see how good it can come out, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna try and take my time. I'm not in no rush, you feel me. And yeah, we're just gonna be making the template this video, and then hopefully the next video I'll be cutting. But it's a little chilly, which y'all can tell I got 2 jackets on again. It's really chilly. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, that way y'all be notified time I drop. And yeah, let's get right into this video, man. Try to make us a custom center console template. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I ended up finding some more cardboard, you know what I'm saying. So I just scratched the paper part. I'm going straight to the cardboard part, but I am gonna be using the paper to, you know what I'm saying, get like the measurement of my height and how high I need to go, so I won't mess up cutting this cardboard, you know what I'm saying. Then I'm gonna just mimic my first piece to my second piece so that I have that, and then I'm gonna connect, hold on, I'm trying to get a little bit, and then I'm gonna connect the middle piece and then the piece that's gonna do like an angle. So now what I'm doing is basically just getting the height and the length, you know what I'm saying, of this cardboard piece. That way I can, you know what I'm saying, get it to where how I want it to do, because I want it to go like, I want to kind of say like an angle up. Let me come up the side for y'all. So I kind of want to do like an angle up to where it'll be even with the bottom of this radio, and then go down to where it'll be even with the beginning of the seat, you know what I'm saying. So that's how I'm trying to do it. So it'll be like coming from here and then do like an angle down to here. So that's why I say I'm gonna use the paper to get like my measurements and stuff. That way I can get everything done right. But like I said, I want to keep y'all updated as I'm going along, as I'm doing this, because you know what I'm saying. And plus I value y'all opinion. So yeah, that's all I'm working on now, is trying to get the height, the length, and all that stuff just right. You know what I'm saying? Because really I only got one shot at doing this, because I don't, like I told you, I don't have many cardboard pieces, cardboard boxes, and none of that stuff around the house. You know, I'm just saying, just, you know what I'm saying, just laying around. So yep, this is what I'm at so far. And like I said, I'm gonna keep y'all updated as I'm going along, and I'm gonna use some tape to try to hold it together and stuff. And then yeah, we're gonna go from there. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna keep working, and like I said, keep updating y'all. So if y'all want to try this yourself, y'all will be able to. So I'll be back in a second. All right guys, so a lot of trial and error. Now I think I got the piece the way that I want it. I just gonna have to transfer it to, you know what I'm saying, mirror it to the other side. That way I can try and make sure everything will line up right. Then I'm gonna do the part for the EQ, and then the cup holder part. And then like I said, hopefully everything turned out right, but I'm thinking this is how I want it to look. So yeah, this is what I got right for now. Let me get y'all right real quick. Hold on. All right, so this is how I think I want it to look, like that. Cover up most of the tunnel. Them wires back there, I'm gonna end up hiding them once I fully make this console. But it's level with my seat, you know what I'm saying, and it is level with her. I mean, obviously I'm gonna have to straighten up the lines and everything, but I'm thinking this is what I'm rocking out with for real. And like I said, make the piece for my EQ part, so I can turn my EQ up right here. And then the cup holder part, the two cup holders, which I think this is plenty. I don't know, maybe, hopefully, you know what I'm saying. So now all I'm gonna do is, like I said, mirror this on another piece of cardboard, you know what I'm saying. Just mirror it, and then make the cup holder area, which is here, and then the EQ area, which is here, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's how I'm rocking out with it for now, and hopefully everything turned out the way I'm hoping it will. Maybe I might back this down just a little bit more, that way it give me like an extra ½ inch on the cup holder area, you know what I'm saying. Maybe I'll come down about right here and give me about another ½ inch on the cup holder area, maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna keep playing around with it, y'all. You feel me? I'm just trying to see how I want to do it. I made a bigger piece, but then I was thinking, how am I gonna get that bigger piece to slide straight down, you know what I'm saying, once I get it all, everything done. I don't understand how I'm gonna do that. So that's why I ain't get a longer side piece. We're just gonna do it like this. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna keep updating y'all the farther I get. And y'all know it might not be perfect or to everybody else standards, but I'm basically doing this for fun, seeing how much I can actually do, you know what I'm saying. That's all I'm doing, you feel me. So I'm just trying to do something different, trying to have a little fun, even though most people be like, bro, you not doing it, you not all that type. I'm just doing this for fun and trying to see how much I can actually do, and how much I can actually, yeah, just how much I can actually do with this car, with customizing, you know what I'm saying, do it myself. So y'all know that's my big thing. I'm trying to make sure I can do as much as I can by myself without, you know what I'm saying, paying other shops to do it, because y'all know my cutlass now been in the shop for a long time. So I want to try and see how much I can actually do. So this is just a little customized thing, and like I said, I'm just gonna have fun with it. So let me try and finish up a little bit more, and I'm gonna update y'all again. So catch y'all in another second. All right, y'all, so I just now finished making my own center console. As y'all can see, cup holder is gonna go there, the EQ is gonna go there. I don't think I'm gonna do anything with the sides. I'm gonna just wrap the whole thing, you know what I'm saying. So this is, like I said, my template of how I want to do it, how I think it's gonna go. I'm not gonna put nothing here because the seat is gonna be covering it anyways, and once I sit it down, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna see what it'll actually look like. But yeah, man, that's basically all I did, you feel me? I was just cutting a lot of cardboard. I'll show y'all, you feel me? I cut a lot. Look at all that. I cut all that up using a razor blade, my Sharpie to try to make templates, masking tape, and wherever my scissors are. I don't know where they are, but yeah, use my scissors as well. But it was easier just to use the knife, you know what I'm saying, to cut it up. But yeah, got that template made, and hopefully whenever I get ready to make it, you know what I'm saying, it'll be good. Everything will look good, you know what I'm saying. So sit y'all there so I can try and maneuver this. So it's gonna be the only thing is trying to get this in here. I'm probably going to have to remove my seats, that way to get in easier, because I can't, because my seat, y'all know my seats won't go back anymore. Let me see. Hold on, I'm trying to, yeah, my seats won't go back anymore. So I have to try to like bend this to go down. But whenever I make my real one thing I'm gonna have to do, you know what I'm saying, is probably remove my seat so I can get it in there without like cracking the wood or anything, you know what I'm saying. Because yeah, a lot of the videos I done watch people do, they remove the front seat, both the front seats, or at least one of the front seats, you know what I'm saying. But I got the bench seat, if y'all don't know, y'all can see I got a bench seat, so mine is I don't like this bench seat, as y'all know. I want to get different seats in this car, you know what I'm saying. So hold on. So yeah, like I said, I want to get different seats in this car, that way I can, you know what I'm saying, move my seats up and back, move the back part of the seats back and forth, you know what I'm saying. I don't like this bench seat. So yeah, one thing I'm gonna try to do now is try to maneuver this down, that way we can get a good look. All right, get a better look. Hold on, I'm putting this in. Even though my EQ is in the way, we still get a pretty good look of how it's gonna look, you know what I'm saying. Still get a decent little look of how I think it's gonna be. So y'all come here. This is how I think it's gonna be, somewhat like this. I'm gonna still have to do some playing around with it, you know what I'm saying, to see how I'm really gonna get it to sit, you feel me. So but other than that, man, I think it's gonna come out really dope. Like I said, cup holder is gonna be right here. Well, it just went down, but it's not gonna be that far down, you know. Y'all kind of seen the picture of how I'm gonna do it. And like I said, I know this is not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be an easy project, especially for someone like me, you know what I'm saying, who don't really do stuff like this too often. I know this is not gonna be an easy project. I'm finna try and put it back up. But like I said, my main thing and my main goal here is just to get one made and see how to come out. The material ain't gonna cost me nothing but like $25 maybe. So like I said, I don't mind just trying, even if it don't come out the best. I at least want to try it and see how it's gonna look, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, like that, that's how it's gonna be. Somewhat like that, I should say, anyways. So like I said, that's a rough draft. I'm gonna probably get my pops to help me or somebody else to help me, that way I don't do it myself. But honestly, I want to just do it myself to see how it's gonna come out, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, let me clean up my mess. I'm gonna leave this how it is, and like I said, whenever I get the material, get the cup holders and get the wood and the fabric and all that stuff, the adhesive, maybe some adhesive glue that's supposed to go on there or whatever, whenever I get all that stuff, then we're gonna actually try to make it, you know what I'm saying. But until then, we're gonna leave the rough draft, and then we're gonna go from there later on. So catch y'all in 1 second. I'm gonna clean up this mess, and then we're gonna do the outro, and then I'll catch y'all on the next one. So 1 second. All right guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one. Like I said, it right now it's not looking the best, but it honestly, it looks pretty good, you feel me. So once I get the material and stuff, then we're gonna go from there and try to see what we can get. But like I said, this was just us making kind of like a template, you know what I'm saying? Just a template, rough draft of the center console, you know what I'm saying? So this not what it's gonna actually look like. I'm most likely gonna do some tweaks and stuff off camera. I don't know when I'm gonna order that material and the cup holders, or when I'm gonna go to the Lowe's and stuff to get the wood, but I want to make sure I get this rough draft right first before I, you know what I'm saying, go on and do all that other stuff. But until then, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, you know what I'm saying. It wasn't too long, wasn't nothing too crazy, but as y'all know, I'm on the grind, so I'm trying to do as much as I can, and just about anything I do with these cars, I want to record it, you know what I'm saying. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man, of us making our template center console, you know what I'm saying. It's just a template, it's not the final product, but like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Really, I hope y'all enjoyed just coming to watch me, you know what I'm saying. Us just talking to each other, you feel me? And yeah, that's really it, you know. It's really it. But other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I don't know, like I said, I don't know when I'm gonna go and get the material, get the wood and all that stuff, but yeah, hopefully it'll be sometime soon. And y'all let me know what y'all think about the rough draft, the template of my center console. I know it's probably not the best. I know y'all probably gonna say it's not the best, but honestly, it's just the fact that I'm finna try to do this myself, you know what I'm saying? And because I can't really find a shop that can do that, or yeah, really any place that's close to me that builds center consoles or custom rear decks. So we're gonna try and do the rear deck again ourselves, and we're gonna try to do the center console again. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoy it. It's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first, God bless. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. I love y'all. It's gonna be the end of this one. Peace out.